Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A14, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. Now to get started, you want to open up your settings. From here, scroll down to storage, or, well, in this case, it's going to be battery and device care. And then we have storage here. Okay, so let's go to settings. I need to enable something. Permissions. There we go. So from here, you want to swipe to the side. This will then show you your SD card, and you can tap right here on the three dots, select format. Brings up a message letting you know that formatting will erase everything that is on the SD card. So if you have anything on it that you don't want to get rid of, make a backup copy of it before you begin. And once you have done so, you can then select format. This will begin formatting it. It only takes a couple seconds to finish up and should be right about done. There we go. Once it's finished, the card is automatically ready to go again, and that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.